Yo, what's up? Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. It means a lot. You know. Motherfuckers, it's snowing. Look at this shit. Look at it! Look at it! What's up? I don't know if I told y'all, but it's like, it's not that I don't like this car, I just don't like how it's made. I like the fact that it has a V6 engine, but I just don't like how it's made. Like, it's big, it's bulky, I like the fact, like I said, I just like the fact it's the V engine. But anyway, on my way to my boy's house. We don't know what the fuck we're gonna do, but I wanted to do something with him for my birthday weekend. So it's like other people I really don't like fucking with, dealing with. He's like more chill, more laid back and shit. But to chill to his house, go to his house, watch the game. Fucking Seattle's losing, man. What the fuck? I'm at the homie's house. I text him. I think he's drunk. This motherfucker said he started drinking. Yo, it stopped snowing and shit. You know what? This is nice though. I'm not gonna lie. The leather seats I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. What the fuck is this shit? What is this? What does this do? What is this? What is that? Wait. What is this supposed to do? What? Look at this. Hey, yo. It was like wet as shit outside though. Hold on. I ain't want your killer dog to get me. Hold up. Hey, look, that thing is fast as hell. Hold up. This motherfucker is asleep. This motherfucker is messing with me, people. He keeps making fun of me. He drunk fucker. He finds it funny. No. Hey! You don't come here! Where's the dog? How is he not scared of them? It's like, no, I'm not scared, bro. Just don't. As long as they don't come near me, I'm fine. I like the goats, though. This motherfucker is talking about my Janet Jackson and shit. Like, what? Janet is a goddess, okay, people? Like, Beyonce is nobody, okay? There would be no Beyonce if it wasn't for Janet Jackson. Angry man. I know. See, he's angry. It's okay, we love him. This is where we are, people. In here. Well, I got 2 spicy beef patties. Okay, good. See? Beef patties. And he's talking to himself. Right, crazy driving motherfucker! Okay.
Yo, look at the takeoff when I shift. Let me go like high. Ready?
Boom!
That's not what I was shooting. It's so strong.
You have too much fucking fun. Shit, if I had a fucking V6 or V8, I would do it too.
That. I love that.
Is that a pogo? Hey!
That's
Identify yourself.
That guy's going fast, so.
That's an old person. I didn't see you. Who's about to do it?
Oh yeah, I lost traction! Oh yeah! At 40. Oh shit!
Ah!
Oh shit!
Yeah,
I'm done.
what the fuck? That shit was
Oh my
funny.
car.
That shit was fucking great. What?
I just shit myself.
You just shit yourself?
Holy fuck.
Shit. I'm recording everything.
I was OD.
I was OD. I couldn't even fucking record it and my fucking hand went
Oh
down.
my god.
You said you lost traction at 40?
Yeah, that's why I almost crashed.
Is it still wet out?
It's 31.
This mother sucker. If this tall one. And he has that.
Yeah, as a dragon.
That's a dragon.
Yeah.
Does he bite?
No.
I don't trust it.
He's sleeping.
Wake up, lizard man.
Look at that. He is asleep.
You should like, keep all this shit on your phone.
No, I uploaded to my.
Yeah, she uploads it, then she deletes it, right?
Yeah. I want one.
You can ask for it.
He's a baby. She's still eating. People. Alright. I'm not looking because I'm driving, but we had a great fucking time. That lizard was cool as fuck. Not only I'm scared of him, but on my way home. So yeah, all in all, it was a great night. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog, but if not, have a great night or day, whatever time you are watching this, and I'll see you on the next adventure.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.